gentlemen, my name is Chris Hostrop and welcome to the one and only Meed and Bird's Mega Ultimate Q&A Special. Here they are now, Bird and Meed.
Hello, I am ready to answer the questions designed to gain information about us.
Yeah. Anyways, my name is... and I'm ready to answer some questions about me!
Now that they've introduced themselves, here's the first question. Bill Thrill 34 asks, for Bird, on a scale from 1 to 10, how is it working at Bingo Jingle?
Obviously a 1. Huh? Hello? Oh. I mean totally a 10! A very fun and totally not toxic environment. Next question.
Burger Kinger 893 asks, Meed, when is episode 5 part 2?
I don't know what that means.
It's Revolt 123 asks, Bird, what is it like to be a bird?
What is a bird? Why does everybody keep calling me that? These questions suck!
Alright then. 7 to Legend 47 asks, Meed, how much are you packing, son?
Oh, I just have some pants and this hat to pack, and then I'm ready for my trip.
Huh? What trip?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I'm on a plane!
What? Huh?
It looks like Meed has left for a trip. Well, it looks like that's the end of it. Oh, wait! Looks like we have one more question for Bird. Big Body Fizz asks, what is the bird's real name?
Oh, that's easy. It's...
BAM!
Ah!
No one shall know.